All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning in to this channel, my name's Chuckits Cruisewat. I am a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I am back out here on the west side of the Las Vegas Valley, beautiful master plan community of Summerlin. And I'm in a gated neighborhood called Glenrock by Toll Brothers. One thing to keep in mind if you guys are going to come out here to tour the models, the sales office is closed on a Monday. Wednesday is by appointments only. The other days it's from 10 to 6. Look how beautiful these homes are. Look at this, they're using Anderson windows. Love those windows. You'll notice out here in Vegas, the bigger the homes, the higher end homes, they use more quality products. So if you want to compare one builder to another, we do have the builder versus builder book. Allows you to compare which builder is better. You just want to make sure you're getting your dollars worth. A lot of construction going on today here in Vegas. Now, I have not toured the models just yet, but I will in the next couple of videos. But today I figure I want to come up here because I want to show you like what's going on as far as like construction and all that stuff. I mean, there's a lot of development still taking place. So just kind of give you a general idea with Glenrock here. Single family homes here start off at about 1.4 million. And the amenities that they have, you've got common areas like parks. A lot of these lots will have view lots as well. You got walking trails, you got a fire pit. This is a gated community. And they also have an event lawn. But today we're going to be taking a look at this builder standing inventory. Now, if you're going to buy a home out here in Vegas, you probably need to be focusing on the builder standing inventory. Now, this one is not completed yet. We'll be hitting the market and be completed by August. So if you want to get in on this deal, click on the link in the description below for the whole list of standing inventory. Not all agents can get a standing inventory list. Fortunately enough, we've been doing enough business with builders and got the list. Now they have a total of 4 different models that you can pick and choose from. Man, this thing's gorgeous, right? The cabinets are not in yet. Now, all the options have been picked for this home. However, if you guys want the option sheet on here to see what has been picked, just let me know and I will send you the list. Now they have a total of 120 lots here in this community. Now this one right here is 3,956 square feet. You've got 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bath, 3-car garage. Obviously it's a 2-story home. Let's go back over here though. Now the price on here is $1.9 million. Here's the bathroom. Bedroom, bathroom downstairs. Here's the sink, the toilet, and then a walk-in shower. Now you're gonna have 8-foot doors. On this one, I believe you're gonna have the 18 by 18 porcelain tile. Here's the kitchen here. Island's gonna go right here. Your refrigerator. And then this is gonna be our pantry. Pretty decent size on the pantry, that's for sure. Now you're gonna have the shaker cabinets here. The hardware is gonna be black hardware. The appliances, you're gonna have the 48-inch Wolf appliances. Let's go take a look at the garage. So this is a 3-car tandem garage, as you can see. Nice high ceilings for sure. You're gonna have your tankless hot water heater here, your access out to the back. So take a look at the backyard. Here's the retaining wall. It's actually a pretty decent backyard. Look at that. Look how high these ceilings are. Wow. All right, let's take a quick walk upstairs. Look at this loft area right here. You've got your coax cable and all that for your TV here. Coming into bedroom number 2. 10-foot ceilings on the second floor. So what you see here, the floor here has been mocked. So how do they actually seal the pan here? Basically where you see this where it's all black, what they do is tar all this up so it's like a thick paint. Then what they're gonna do is fill up the water to the curb and they're gonna let it sit to see if it leaks. If it leaks, then there's a problem. After this, right, now they're gonna lay the hardy back on here and they're gonna mud and tape everything all up. Now if you notice, here's the hardy back. This takes us out to the balcony here. There's another bedroom on that side. Now this is actually a pretty good deal because at 1.9, right? Like if you went to go build what the model had, you're gonna be easily into it for about 3 million. Here's your laundry room. Now let's just say if you did the stock and standard on here, 1.9, and if you are liquid cash, then at this point you can go ahead and hire a designer. Now if you guys don't have a designer or a contractor, feel free to reach on out to me. My business partner. We do high-end luxury flips, and this is something that we do for a living. You know, side gig other than, you know, retail on the real estate side. You can literally spend about $600,000. You'd be in for 2.5 million, 2.7 with the backyard and the pool, and you could literally trick this house out. And by the time this track is done with 120 homes, you've got another about 18 months before this community is complete. So we got a toilet here, sink here, we have the hot and cold. What you see right here is the drain line, also the drain line for your toilet, and then our supply line. This is a good video just to kind of show you what it looks like behind the walls, right? I mean, these are definitely decent sized rooms for sure. For some of you guys who've been watching me for a while, I'm kind of sad, man. I lost the bid of the house I wanted to buy. I thought I was gonna get it, but the wifey said, you know what, it's okay. It's God's will. There's a reason why we didn't get it. But the crazy part is, I bought another property like 2 weeks ago. We closed on Friday. I bought a horse property, or equestrian, and that one actually, we picked it up, believe it or not, 200,000. It's only 1,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, solar panels paid off in full. I think this one is just a little bit just shy of a half an acre. But we're not going to live in it though. I'm going to put it on the market. I think it should sell for about $485. So, and that's where I go back to things happen for a reason. It's God's will, you know what I mean? And I realized you always have to be liquid and have that liquidity for opportunity. As you can see here, on this one, it looks like they dropped the pan down about an inch. Love the nice smooth texture here. This is like a level, oh, this is a Santa Fe texture actually, nice and smooth. So we have our water closet here. Tell me there's 2 water closets. Yes, and there, oh no, it's not a water closet. There's only 1 water closet. Oh, look how deep this closet is. So then we're gonna have a sink here and a sink here, and then our tub will go right here. Now again, if you guys want a general idea of the materials that do come with it, just let me know. I have a link in the description, or just request it, and I'll go ahead and send it on out to you. Wow, look at this. Look at those nice mountain views. It's not always about the Las Vegas Strip views, but I mean, this is a gorgeous view, guys. But I love the fact that this covered patio, look how high this thing is. This is a very big backyard. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video home tour. If you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, we have a lot of free products. Just visit simplyvegashomes.com. There's a tab, it's called free products. Or what you guys can do is go ahead and check out the description. And within the description, we have the tabs for the free products. Other than that, if you guys have any questions, concerns about the Las Vegas real estate market, or there's certain topics that you guys would like me to cover, please let me know. Other than that, I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. Oh, guys, one thing I forgot to mention, because this is a standing inventory property here. There's a lot of opportunities, like I mentioned, with the standing inventory. I mean, they give you a tremendous amount of a discount because the builder just wants to get rid of the property. Now, they're just not going to give it away for free, but I've done a lot of Toll Brothers where you've got about anywhere from $100,000 to $250,000 discount because they just want to get it off the book. So right here's a prime example, or an opportunity for you to take advantage of that. Now, let's just say we get 6% towards closing costs as well. I mean, by the time you're done, you're only coming down with the down payment. And typically down payments for these, right, are going to be about 20% down. And all you got to do is just obtain the loan. Now, if you guys want the list of standing inventory properties, I'm talking about all the builders, Lennar, Richmond, right? American West, Tri Point. I have the list. So all you got to do is click on that link below. Let us know exactly what you're looking for, your time frame, your price point, and we'll source everything out for you. And then we'll help you through the process. But other than that, all right, guys, be blessed.